While setting ringtone on your iPhone after iOS 26, the error or the issue might occur saying that file too large, and the condition is that the audio file which you're using should be less than 30 seconds. So now in this video, let's see how to trim it and make it less than 30 seconds. So let's start the video and check out the method. It's very easy and simple. So do one thing. First of all, make sure that the audio file which you're using should be saved to files. So if not, just tap on share icon and tap on save to file. Save it. Now the second step, go to App Store and search for application called Toolbox. Install it and now open the application. Once you open it, scroll down. There is a category called audio. Under audio, there is an option called trim. Just tap on it and here import the same audio file or a music file which you want to trim. Once you do it, here is the option to trim the audio file. Just drag the fingers, okay, drag the cursors like parts, and here automatically trim the audio part which you want to set as a ringtone on your iPhone. Do it and now click on done. Once you do it, here is your audio file, trimmed audio file ready for using as a ringtone. Once you do it, and now just tap on share icon, and from here you can easily set ringtone on your iPhone by using the trimmed audio. So guys, that's it. Very easy and simple. I hope you like the video. I hope it helped you. And if yes, then please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. See you in the next video.